Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the lock type and door specs so parts align. This avoids drilling mistakes. Once done, gather tools, drill with 1/8 and 1/2 bits, screwdriver, chisel, tape measure, and a pencil. Make sure to turn off power if installing a smart lock. You do this to protect electronics. Remove the old lock now, keeping screws in labeled containers. That saves time. Begin by marking the center line at standard 2/3/8 or 2/3/4 backset distance, so subsequent drilling is precise. Next, you bore the face hole. Use a 2/1/8 hole saw aligned to your center line, drilling straight and controlling depth so the interior and exterior trim seat flush. Then mortise the edge for the latch plate, chisel to remove material until the plate sits flush with roughly 1/16 clearance. This avoids binding. Insert the latch, checking the backset fits. Once you have temporary screws in place, test latch movement and knob rotation. Make small adjustments before you tighten permanently to ensure smooth operation. You now mount the exterior and interior trims, feeding any smart lock cables straight through so connectors seat without strain. Fasten screws alternately to compress the assembly evenly. This prevents misalignment. For deadbolts, adjust the strike plate, file or reposition it so the bolt enters smoothly with about a 1/8 inch gap when closed. Power on the smart lock and run its calibration sequence so sensors learn the door travel. If things go wrong, check battery orientation and replace with fresh cells first. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.